Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure a proxy in Scraping browser. Let's begin. Open the browser and navigate to the Proxies and Scraping tab. To add your proxies, click on the Add Proxy button and choose the type of proxies you have: residential, data center, or proxies purchased from Scraping browser. A window will appear where you need to provide a name for the proxy. After setting the name, click on the Add Proxy button. A new window will appear for configuring the proxy settings. Enter the IP address and port of your proxy. If you are using personal proxies, also include the username and password. Once you have entered all the necessary details, activate the proxy by toggling the active proxy switch from the inactive to active state. That's it! The proxy has been successfully configured. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.